How to create a Facebook group chat on Android. This tutorial shows you how to start a group conversation quickly and easily. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. After that, tap on the Messenger icon at the top right of the screen to open Messenger. From there, tap on the Compose icon at the top right of the screen to start a new message. Let me show you. At this point, search for the first person you want to add to the group and tap on their name to select them. In the next step, continue searching and tapping on the names of everyone else you want to include in the group chat. From there, once you've selected everyone, tap on the checkmark or next button at the top right. At this stage, your group chat will now be created and you'll be taken directly into the conversation. Here's an important note. You can add more people to the group later by tapping on the group name and looking for the Add People option. Search for the person you want to add and tap on their name to invite them. And that's it. If this guide helped you create a Facebook group chat, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.